Ninth standard, lesson number 3, rotation and revolution of the earth. We have done rotation and revolution of the earth. We have done the tilt of earth axis, rotation and effects of rotation. Now let us understand the circle of illumination. Let us assume this lamp light as a sunlight and this globe as a earth. The area that is in front of the sunlight is receiving daylight. It will be daytiming. And the back area that is having the shadow, it will be having night time. When the earth is spinning on its own axis, slowly the time zone is changing. Now, generally, as we know that the earth moves from west to east and we feel that sun is rising from the east. And this is called as apparent movement of sun. What is apparent movement of sun? Apparent motion is when we perceive motion even though there is no real motion. And as long as these images are presented at a fast enough pace, the viewer will perceive the illusion of continuous movement. Revolution and its effect. Movement of earth around the sun is called revolution, and earth revolved around the sun at a fixed path is known as orbit of the earth. And orbit of the earth is elliptical in shape. What is elliptical? Elliptical means this is the elliptical shape. This is sun and this is earth. It is moving in this way around the sun. When the earth is near to the sun on 3rd of the January, that phase is called as perihelion. And the distance between the earth and sun is 147 million kilometers. Slowly it moves away, goes to this side. When it comes to this side, this is the maximum distance between sun and the earth. This phase is called as aphelion, and it is on 4th of July. The distance is 152 million kilometers. Now, what are the features of revolution? The earth revolves around the sun west to east. It takes 365 days and 6 hours. The earth revolves around the sun at average speed 29.8 kilometers per second or 107.2000 kilometers per hour. The earth orbit round the sun covers a distance of about 965 million kilometers in 1 year. See this, from this to this in complete 1 year, it covers the distance of 965 million kilometers. The period taken by the earth to complete one revolution around the sun is called as a year. And what are the effects? Effects is the change in the seasons. And 365 days make a 1 year, and we left 6 hours in 1 year. And these 6 hours are added after 4 years, and after 4th year, that year is called as leap year, and 1 day is added, means February is having 28 days, but in leap year February has 29 days, and 29 days mean leap year comes after every 4 years. Cycle of seasons is the cycle of seasons is the general effect of revolution of the earth. So read carefully. The orbit, perihelion, aphelion.